Alright, another video for our Ford Maverick 2025. This is a truck bed divider. You can get them on Amazon for like $150. There's two versions. They all look the same, but the company names are all different, which means it's from China. I actually got this one on eBay for $130 instead of $150 with free shipping. So do your research, click the links in my description, and you'll see what I'm talking about. But the reason we got this is because Mrs. Hip I Am isn't as tall as me, and she needs to be able to drop the skate to grab stuff. I can just reach over and grab stuff because I'm 6 foot tall. She's shorter. Here she is. Got some instructions. It's like you hand tight some stuff. We'll read them later if we need to. There it is. Here's the hardware. So it's got springs on one side. Obviously you can see those right there. This is rubber at the end, and then the other side is rubber. And there's this plate right here with a big ass screw. So I may have to look at the directions. Oh, it's going to go through the center. So you basically put it in here and put that screw in, and boy, those are tight too. I guess we're going to have to try it. Imagine it just snaps in place. There we go. Definitely a tight fit.
My mom always said life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
Hit the like and subscribe button. The Maverick.